Alright guys, so we're at the track. I figured this is a good time to do a video. A couple people have asked me the whole setup on the SS, so I'm just gonna go over it and do a video on the SS. So it's a 2015 Chevy SS. Obviously it has welds, S77, a drag pack. The front rotors are DBA 2-piece rotors. Back brakes are stock, normal Brembos. There's nothing special about it. It has, you know, stock SS mufflers. See if I can get a focus. They're stock SS mufflers. It's a 5th gen Camaro differential. It has 345 rear gears. I did it when it was all motor. Never intended on the car going this fast. You know, my wife's daily driver, so it's not a race car. It's not caged. It's not all gutted and ripped apart. Has the Alky Control meth kit, 2-gallon tank in the trunk. I made this bracket, all this stuff, it's a titanium. Nigel cut out the piece that it bolts to. The car's tuned by myself. That's it. Looney Tune racing speed. Not only are we repping stock block the world, this car is a stock cam. It's a stock 6L80 transmission, nothing's done to it. Stock 6L80 torque converter. I have a Z01 torque converter I need to put on it, but this is a Rotofab 5th gen Z01 intake with the SS filter to make it fit. The Alky Control dual nozzles. This is the Glanzer G8 ice tank. It holds about around 2 gallons. Titanium brackets to hold to the car. Right now it has a 235 upper and an 866 lower, so 10% overdrive lower. It's a Jokerz old school 90mm port. Brutal speed and tuning reinforced brick. Has the forced inductions 10mm lid spacer right here. All these bolts are titanium. Some Prey Performance 6 gens. We're at the track with them. Yeah, Kooks 1.7H and 1.7H headers to Kooks high flow cats. Has the Dsx Flex fuel setup. It has a DSX auxiliary pump. Fuel Injector Clinic. I think there's 72-pound injectors. I have to go back and look. I don't remember. Stock ported throttle body. It has the boost district small heat exchanger. So it's only, it stops like right here. I'll put pictures of it without the bumper on. Yeah, there's nothing really special to it. Elite Engineering catch can. I have a Mighty Mouse to swap it out with. And yeah, stock cam, stock LS3, stock heads. Still have stock head bolts. If you can't really see them, but you can kind of see them in there. Stock head bolts. The heads have never been off the car. Nothing's ever been off the car. So yeah, it's your everyday simple LSA from Boost District with flex fuel meth and a lid spacer. Kooks 1.78-inch headers coated by Jet Hot to Kooks high flow cats to factory 2015 mufflers. Stock drive shaft. The car today, it went 10.3 at 137 full weight. Last time it was on the dyno, it was 13 psi, which was I think it was a 2.5 upper, and it made 664 horsepower, 634 foot-pounds of torque. I'll put that right here too. Right now, with this pulley combo, with the 235 upper and the 10% lower, it's making about 18 pounds of boost. So I have no idea how much power it'd be. Going off of the mile per hour and the weight calculator, it puts it in the mid to upper 700s. Yeah, if you have any questions about the car, let me know.
The next day.
So she knows how fast the car went, but she hasn't ridden in it. So I'm gonna give her a little ride on our way to the grocery store.
Because it's still a grocery getter. Okay. Okay.
It's your car.
Stressing me out.